Hi everybody, it's Kathy from HuckleberryHerbs and Art. Thank you for stopping by my channel. And on this channel I do a lot of paper crafting and other types of crafts and arts and watercolor and sometimes gardening videos. I also like to show the Heartfelt Creations release each month. I won't have these in my store until the weekend, but I still want to make sure everybody gets to see the release that came out today. So if you are into, this is the Sugarspun Collection, candy, treats. Oh my goodness, there's been such a cupcake craze going on forever, and Heartfelt has responded because, as you can see, some of the sweet treats are cupcakes. Very nice pastel, spring, pink, greens, turquoise. This is the sweet shop. You can see all the little treats in the window. I love how they have the wisteria hanging down over the side of the sweet shop. And then, of course, the little fence and the beautiful layers of coloring, greens into salmons into purples and tones of blues. Great for your pictures of your party that might have had cards sent out and invitations and stuff with these, or to set the table with some name cards, or to use these papers to wrap your cupcakes and your treats at the table with a beautiful yellow stripe. And then here are different sized cards with some of your sentiments along the side so that you can cut those out and put your cards together. You know, not all of your cards have to be the exact same, so you could use a pad like this and send out invitations to everyone to your daughter or your granddaughter's birthday party, or another event where, of course, even gardening events or just fun get-togethers where sweets are going to be served. You could use different cards for each one of the invitations and have fun making a different grouping. They don't always have to be the same, so a pad like this can fill that. Plus you could use it for your mini album with the pictures that go in it. I love the lollipop images and the rock candies, the little flowers on the table, the sweet shop sign, a very pretty pink, and it has a little ribbon and bow design in the background with the dots as well. Here you really get to see some larger images on these tags of the sweet treats that you'll be able to find in the paper pad and in your dies and stamps, which I'll show you in just a moment. There's the little cart. Yes, you're going to have a stamp and cutout die cuts for that. Here's a lovely setting with the treats all put up on the fancy dishes, and this lovely pink border. Lovely in the corners as well. A light greenish tone. Green and pink always pop together. This one even has some lines for you to put in your journaling, and the tags that we love to see. Again, very vivid, pretty colors with the little cherries and the candles and the beautiful wisteria hanging over the side of the shop. And everybody loves them. All the cupcakes. Here they are lined up, and these would be great if you wanted to actually take your punches or by hand, fussy cutting the circles out, or to put as a liner in a birthday gift box. Here is another version of the sweet treat cart, and the flowers out in the front with all the treats on the card itself. Beautiful layers of flowers in the background. Lovely tones, perfect space to put your pictures. A very nice candy sort of stripe with all the colors that you can find in the paper pad in it at a diagonal. These are the pages, and I think Heartfelt gave you 2 of these this time, where you have the large and the small images that you can cut out with your dies and just get to it. So if you don't have time to stamp things out, you can just put these through the die machine and have these all ready to make your 3-dimensional cards. That's a very interesting pop with the large polka dots and then these little vines and things running through. And then on the other side of the smaller treats with all the little rock candies and the swirly lollipops and things, we have this beautiful plaid gingham in a very pretty pink. And then here are your 6x6s and larger tags of those pictures that you saw in the full-size pages. And a very nice light green with green polka dots. And then if you can see close up, swirls behind that. Here is a full page of 6x6s, and those would be great to make your 6x6 mini albums to go along with the party that you had. I think there's plenty of paper in here for a small party if you wanted to use it for invitations, as well as to make the lovely little mini album that shows all the pictures from the party afterwards. I'm sure any young lady would be very happy to have these as her themes. And again, like I said, if you were having a special tea for the ladies or something in the summertime, it'd be lovely to have the place cards made with these, or gift boxes altered with these. Here's all of your tags and little sentiments and different shapes that we have new dies for. There's your stamps, and then some more ticket sentiments over here with a light blue in the background, and the light blue extends to the other side with that pretty ribbon. I don't remember what you see it in Toll, right? In Toll wallpaper and fabrics, sometimes that look of the ribbon extended with a fern-like bough going across. And here are some more 6x6s and smaller cards with these lovely trims that you can use on the edges of your layouts, or to put a nice decor on your invitations or your mini albums. There's that wisteria coming down with all the sweet treats in the window, and you get the little sweet shop sign, beautiful flowers in the flower box, really lovely greens, salmons, purples, and blues going into the sky. That, believe it or not, is Raspberry ringing the bell to let me know that she has got to go out. How do you think of that? We trained her to ring a bell. That wasn't easy, I have to tell you, because she thought the bell meant don't open the door for me all the time, but definitely come and give me a treat. So we had to teach her that once that bell rang, she was going out. And I'll do an update of Raspberry at some point. She just celebrated her first birthday. So here is the Sugarspun Cupcake. Comes with the cupcake, the candles, the little heart, and the cherry. I'm coming, Raspberry. The ladies want to see this, and I will be finished in just a moment. Here's your die, and gentlemen too. Not to forget to mention that there are plenty of guys who love the arts and love using paper crafting. These are the smaller stamps in the sweet shop treats, and it's got a little jar of your lollipops and your rock candy, and a little table for your kids. I'm hurrying. I have to hurry, everyone. All right, so there's the stamp and die set for that. And then you have the little cart that you can put your treats on. So sweet shop, and you get the wheel separate so that you can make it look three-dimensional by popping the wheel up, and a little sentiment in there, and there's your die that cuts that out. And the sprinkled confetti cupcakes has all the numbers in it and little cupcakes. So these are smaller versions that you can adorn your cards and your mini albums with, or maybe you can cut and color a few out and sprinkle them, or maybe you can just get the numbers that you want to put on the birthday cards. Whatever you would like. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'm sorry I haven't been around much. It is a very busy time of the year, but I will be back. I'm hoping to have a little time during my week break. In the meantime, Raspberry is now hitting me with a squeaky toy, so I have to run. It was so nice to visit with you all. Please come back and check out what I put up next. Till next time, this is Kathy from HuckleberryHerbs and Art, competing with a squeaky toy. God bless everybody.